The standard directory structure in Maven. You can see the standard directory structure. Having a common directory layout allows us users familiar with the when Maven project to immediately feel at home in other Maven projects. Advantages are analogous to adopting a site-wide look and feel. This section here the directory layout expected by Maven and directory layout created by Maven. Try to conform to this structure as much as possible. However, if you can't, these settings can be overridden via a project descriptor. At the top level, files descriptive of the project pom.xml. In addition, there are textual documents meant for the user to be able to read immediately on receiving the source, readme.txt and license.txt, etc. There are just two subdirectories in this structure, src and target. The only other directories that would be expected here are metadata like CVS and .git or .svn and any other subprojects in the multi-project build, each of which would be laid out as here. The target directory is used to house all output of the build. The src directory contains all of the source material for building the project, its site and so on. It contains subdirectory for each type, main for the main build artifact, test for the unit test code and resources, site, so on. Within artifact producing source directories, that is main and test, there is one directory for the language Java, under which the normal package hierarchy exists, and one for resources. The structure is copied to the target class path given the default resource definition. If there are other contributing sources to the artifact build, they would be under other subdirectories. For example, src, the main antlr would contain LR gamma definition files. Here you can see the src main Java, the application or library resources. Here the src main resources, application library resources, src main filters, resource filter files, source main web application sources, src test Java test sources, src test resources, src test filters, test resource filter files, src it integration test primary for plugins, src assembly or descriptors, src site, license.txt, projects license, notice.txt, notices and attributes required by libraries that projects depends on, readme.txt, projects readme. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.